Welcome to the installation guide for Doodad self-adhesive window film. This premium window film not only enhances your privacy, but also adds a touch of elegance to your space. Start by cleaning the window thoroughly. Next, measure the dimensions of your window carefully to determine the size of the film you need. Cut the window film to size based on your measurements, leaving a little extra for adjustments. For the second side, use the first cut piece as a template to ensure consistent sizing. Gently peel off the protective backing from the adhesive side of the film. Be careful not to damage the film. Spray a generous amount of water onto the window. This helps in positioning the film and prevents it from sticking too quickly. Carefully place the adhesive side of the film onto the wet window. Start from one side and slowly press it down to avoid trapping air bubbles. Use a plastic squeegee to smooth out the film, removing excess water and air bubbles. Work from the center outward for best results. Trim off any excess film from the corners and edges using a sharp blade for a clean finish. If your window requires multiple pieces of film, repeat the process for the next section. Ensure the patterns on the film align perfectly for a seamless look. This step is crucial for a smooth and professional finish. Trim any excess film carefully along the edges to complete the application. Go over the entire surface again with the squeegee to remove any remaining water or bubbles. And that's it. Your Doodad self-adhesive window film installation is complete. Not only does it provide excellent privacy, but it also adds a sophisticated and elegant look to your windows.